Good morning, students. In this series of videos, we learn fundamentals in mathematics. By watching these series, you will have clarity in fundamentals. Phobia towards maths will be eliminated. You can improve speed and accuracy by following our methods. Subscribe the channel and follow the 20 videos relating to fundamentals in mathematics. Our schooling begins with A for apple. Your mother gave you an apple and your father gave you an apple. Now you have two apples. Mathematically, A plus A is equal to 2A. 2 is called coefficient of A. Similarly, A plus A plus A, adding 3 times, we get 3A. Here 3 is called coefficient of A. Similarly, x plus x plus x plus x is 4x. Y plus y plus y plus y. Thus adding 5 times, you get 5y. Here 5 is called coefficient of y. Now a plus a plus a plus, adding n times, this is NA, and n is coefficient of A. Now 5a plus 3a is 8a. 7x plus 3x is 10x. 15y minus 4y is 11y. Note, coefficient of A is 1 because A means 1A. 1A and A are same. Now come to important topic. A into A is written as A power 2 and read as A square. A into A into A, multiplying A 3 times, it is written as A power 3 and read as A cube. A into A into A into A is A power 4. Similarly, A into A into A into n times is A power n. And here in A power n, A is called base and n is called exponent or index or power. The plural of index is indices, and our topic is theory of indices. Now let us learn few points in this concept. Note, what is the exponent of A? Exponent of A is 1 because A is equals to A power 1. Note, A power 0 is 1. The condition is base A should not be 0. Anything power 0 is 1 when the base is not equals to 0. A power minus m can be written as 1 by A power m. So, A power minus 1 becomes 1 by A. 1 by A is equals to A power minus 1 or A inverse. Another thing, A power 1 by m can be written as mth root of A. Now, A power minus 1 by m is 1 by mth root of A. The expert in anything was once a beginner. To become expert, practice is most important. Let us learn some formulas. A power m into A power n is A power m plus n. Proof. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m means a into m times. A power n means a into n times. So it is totally a into m plus n times. So its answer is a power m plus n. Now second formula, a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Let us go into the proof. A power m by a power n equals to, in numerator it is a into m times, by in denominator a into n times. In simplification we get a into m minus n times. So it is a power m minus n. Now third formula, a power m whole power n equals to a power mn. A power m whole power n equals to a power m into a power m into a power m into so and so on n times. That means here we are multiplying. So according to the formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. It becomes a power m plus so and so on up to n times. So it is a power m plus n times is m into n. Now observe these carefully. AB whole power m is a power m into b power m. A by b whole power m equals to a power m by b power m. A power m is equal to b power m if and only if a is equal to b. A power m is equal to a power n if and only if m is equal to n. Nth root of a power m equals to a power m by n. Let us solve a few problems. Question number 1. Minus 3x square y into 4x cube y square z. First we have to multiply the signs. Here the sign is negative. Here the sign is positive. Minus into plus becomes minus. Now multiply the numbers. 3 into 4 is 12. And observe here, it is x square and it is x cube. X square into x cube becomes x power 2 plus 3. According to the formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Similarly, y power 1 into y power 2 becomes y power 1 plus 2, and z is here, and write that z here. Now its answer is minus 12 x power 2 plus 3 is 5 and y power 1 plus 2 is 3 and z. So its answer is minus 12 x power 5 y cube z. One more question. Minus 5 x power 5 z square into minus 3 y power 5 z cube. First multiply the symbols. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 5 is 15. Now x power 5 in the first term. There is no x term in the second term. So simply write x power 5. Now in first term there is no y. In second term we have y. So write it. It is y power 5. And in first term we have z square. In second term we have z cube. Z square into Z cube becomes Z power 2 plus 3. So its answer is 15 x power 5, y power 5, z power 5. Now let us go to one more question. 15 x power 4 y square by 18 x square y power 4. By simplification, we get 5 by 6. And observe carefully, in numerator we have x power 4, in denominator we have x square. According to the formula a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, it becomes x power 4 minus 2. And y power 2 by y power 4 becomes y power 2 minus 4. So it is 5x square y power minus 2 by 6 y power minus 2. We know the formula a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. By that formula, it is 5x square by 6y square. One more question. 8 a power 10 b power 7 c cube by 4a cube c power 10. By simplification, it becomes 4. And observe carefully, a power 10 by a power 3 is a power 10 minus 3. According to the formula, a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. And b power 7, there is no other b, so write it down. And c power 3 by c power 10 becomes c power 3 minus 10. So it is 2 into a power 7 into b power 7 into c power 3 minus 10 is minus 7. We know the formula a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. According to the formula, it becomes 2a power 7 b power 7 by c power 7. Now, one more question. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 into 2x plus 1. Observe carefully. First, finish the multiplication with 2x square. This 2x square into 2x is the first one plus 2x square into 1. So this is 2x square into 1. Now come to minus 3x. Next one is minus 3x into 2x plus minus 3x into 1. The next one is multiplication with 5. So 5 into 2x and 5 into 1. Multiply the terms and let us simplify. 2x square into 2x is 4x cube plus 2x square into 1 is 2x square minus 3x into 2x is minus 6x square minus 3x into 1 is minus 3x plus 5 into 2x is plus 10x plus 5 into 1 is 5. Observe carefully. Here we have like terms. Also here we have like terms. Simplify the like terms. The first one is 4x cube plus 2x square minus 6x square is minus 4x square. Minus 3x plus 10x is plus 7x plus 5. So its answer is 4x cube minus 4x square plus 7x plus 5. One more question. 4x power 5 plus 3x square y square minus 2y cube into 4x minus 2y. First, complete the multiplication with 4x power 5. 4x power 5 into 4x and 4x power 5 into minus 2y. After completion of multiplication with 4x power 5, now multiply with 3x square y square. 3x square y square into 4x and 3x square y square into minus 2y. Next, multiplication with minus 2y cube. Minus 2y cube into 4x. Minus 2y cube into minus 2x. Multiply and simplify it. By multiplication, we get 4 into 4, 16. X power 5 into x, x power 6. Similarly, the multiplication of 4x power 5 into minus 2y becomes minus 8x power 5 into y. Similarly, this multiplication results 12x cube y square. The next one is minus 6x square y and the next one is minus 8x y cube and the next one is 4x power 4. Observe carefully. There is no any like terms here. So it is its final answer. Now come to one more question. What is 8 power 2 by 3? We can write 8 as 2 cube and whole power 2 by 3. We know the formula a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So by cancelling we get 2 square and 2 square is nothing but 4. Its answer is 4. Let us go to one more question. 23.02 into 32 power 0.2 into 32 power 0.4. Here we apply the formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. By applying it we get 32 power 0.2 plus 0.4 is 0.6. 32 is 2 power 5. 0.6 becomes 6 by 10. Here we apply the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 2 power 5 into 6 by 10 is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. That's all. Now it is time for homework. Solve yourself questions. Dear students, solve these following questions. 81 power 3 by 4. 16 power 0.12 into 16 power 0.13 and 27 a power 15 into b power 6 into c square by 36 a power 7 into b power 10. Simplify it. Similarly, find the multiplication. Don't give up. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Our next video is on BODMAS rule. Don't miss to watch our next video. We attached Google quiz here. After completion your practice, attempt the quiz and view your score. If you have any doubts, you can call me without hesitation. Thank you.